Hey, my business owner friends, my name is Laurie McNaughton and I am your Scale Up Biz Coach. I've been coaching businesses now for over 21 years, and in that time, I've gained a thorough understanding of the challenges that business owners face and the solutions to get you over those challenges. So let me ask you, are you struggling to get to 500,000? Are you struggling to get to 7 figures or 8 figures and beyond? It seems like every time you take 3 steps forward, you take 2 steps back. The question is it your team? Is it your systems and processes? Or is it you that's holding your company back? You see, a business is a series of systems and processes that are run by people. Your job is to build those systems and processes, and then it's the people's job to implement them. So now if your systems and processes are run by you, then, well, you're self-employed or you have a job inside your business. So you have to ask yourself this question. If you were unable to work for 3 months, what impact would that have on your business? The correct answer is, of course, it would thrive and grow. If not, then your goal is to create those systems and processes that are duplicatable, repeatable, that can be learned and run by your team easily. So what are those systems and processes that I'm talking about? Well, I've created a resource guide. This is it right here that explains it step by step from in a 10-step process for you to build and scale up your business. It comes with a checklist so you can check things off as you go. Now, my goal here was to create something that would help small businesses create a solid foundation from which to scale up from. You see, if you don't have solid systems, you don't have solid processes, and you don't have great people, I'm sorry, you're not going to be able to scale your business. It's going to be a frustrating process. I also wanted to be very affordable because I wanted those people that are struggling to get to 500K or 7 figures to be able to easily afford to take the course, which would help them build that foundation. So if that interests you, go ahead and download the resource guide. It's called 10 Steps to Scale Your Business Up Without Burning Out. And if that resonates with you, then you can sign up and take the course, Your Strategic Success Blueprint, 10 Steps to Scale Your Business Without Burning Out. Now, it comes with a 100% money back guarantee, but the caveat is you have to do the work. If you did the work, all you got to do is, and you didn't get value from it, all you got to do is send me an email and I'll refund all of your money. But you need to be honest with yourself. Did you really honestly do the work? Because it's not enough to watch the videos. It's not enough to download and print off the worksheets. If you haven't done the work, you're not going to get the value out of it. And if you didn't do the work, then don't blame me for that. So also, if you're ready to scale from 7 figures up to 8 figures and beyond, you can still download these resources. I don't believe it. I know they're of value. But I think you should consider a one-on-one relationship. You see, as you grow, having the right systems and processes is critical. They need to be iterated, meaning improved, because the biggest challenge you're going to face as you have the right systems and processes is going to be your team. And that's my favorite part of a business, is to help you transform and build yourself a winning team. Nothing can be more exciting than that, I can tell you. The smiles that I see on business owners' faces when they see their team members taking ownership and accountability and really stepping it up is powerful and beyond description. So you want to book a discovery call at that point. I'm going to put the links in the description, by the way. And I want you to think about cause and effect. You see, in that time that we have that call, I'm going to be asking you a whole bunch of questions so I can understand, first of all, what are the challenges that you're facing, and then what the causes are. And then I'll talk about some of the solutions, or what the solutions are to those challenges. And then at that point, if we feel like there's some value in us working together in a one-on-one relationship, we'll talk about the different programs that I offer that'll help you scale up faster, quicker, and more profitable. So, you see, because here's the thing, like if your business is not scalable, that's really a symptom. It's not the cause. If you're working too many hours, that's a symptom. It's not the cause. If your business is not profitable, not as profitable as it should be, that's a symptom. It's not the cause. So we need to understand what the cause is. Okay, Before I end, I want to talk about something that's really, really important, and that is fear. I don't know if you've heard the acronym, there's different ones, but this is the one that I like the most, and that is false expectations appearing real. How many of you are letting made up expectations stopping you from reaching your goals? You see, fear causes doubt, and doubt causes procrastination. And you know what we know about procrastination is tomorrow never comes. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. So download the free guide, sign up and complete the course if you're a small business owner. Book a discovery call if you're beyond $1 million and you're looking to scale up faster and more profitable and have fun. Let's not run around that wall. Let's jump over the wall. Let's learn a whole bunch. Let's have fun. Let's grow and let's profit. So, talk to you soon. All the links are in the description. I look forward to the opportunity of being in service. And until then, I wish you nothing but success. Take care and have yourself a wonderful day.